Hello there. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to reset forgotten password on any Windows computer. Using this method, you can unlock any Windows device without knowing the user password. To perform this experiment, I will use a little program called CHNTPW. This command line can remove the password of a user in Windows SAM HIVE file. Even this program can edit the Windows registry. The tool comes pre-installed by default in Kali Linux. When you are logged out of your Windows, you need to use another computer to make the bootable live Kali Linux USB flash drive. To do that, download the ISO image from the description section of this video and use Rufus utility to create a Kali live USB flash drive. After successfully creating a bootable USB, boot your computer with the live Kali USB flash drive. You may have to change the boot order from BIOS so you can boot from the USB flash drive. I have booted my computer with the Kali Live USB flash drive. Here I have entered into Kali Linux operating system. From Kali Linux desktop, click on the file system to open it. After opening the file system, select the drive of the Windows machine where Windows is installed. After that, navigate to following folder. Double-click Windows folder. Double-click System32 folder. And double-click Config folder. Now right-click on a blank space in this location and click Open Terminal here option. Use the following command to find all existing users on a Windows machine. Select the user whose password you want to remove. In my case, freebooter is the user account login password I want to remove. Just replace the username and execute the following command. After executing the command, it will show you different options. All you have to do is press number 1 key on your keyboard to select the clear blank user password option. Then type Q letter and press enter key. And type Y letter to save the changes and press enter key. At this point, you can reboot your computer and unplug USB drive. You see there is no password required to log in anymore. I hope this will be helpful if you ever need to reset a Windows password. Please, to show your full support, don't forget to subscribe. That is it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.